How to fix Huawei Mate 70 screen dimming. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness. And here you can see the option automatic. If you turn on automatic, then turn it off. After turning off automatic, then turn off your dark mode. If you turn on this dark mode, then turn it off. After turning off your dark mode, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.